Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will quickly show you how to download the ChatGPT app from the Microsoft Store for Windows 10 and 11. Click on the Start menu and open Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. Select ChatGPT by OpenAI. Click Get or Install and wait for it to download. Once installed, open the ChatGPT app. And sign in. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.